Hello space engineers, Wellington6012 here, and welcome back to Close to Home. How's everybody today? Hope you're good. Fishies, how are you today? Hope you're good. Yep, just swimming around doing the thing. Right, things to do. Let's get into it. We have a very slow walk, speed that up. Right, so, did do some stuff off camera, I can't remember what, but fixed my red rocket. Okay, well, let's just not talk about that. Updated screens and published micro miner despawned. Oh, that's right. Let's just have a quick look at that. The micro miner. So yeah, I did I blueprinted this finally. Yes, I do once again apologise for my tardiness in doing blueprints. Let's just speed that camera up a little bit. Okay, there we go. Right, yeah, so that's been blueprinted, but yeah, the drill thing's gone. I'm sure I put a battery on it so it didn't despawn, but it's despawned, which is a little bit annoying. But never mind, we'll do something else, assuming we even need any more iron. I think we've got plenty at the moment. Yeah, but that's just a little bit of an annoyance, considering how much effort I put into that, which was not much. Actually, now I think about it, if you didn't see the extended episode 41 and a half, you probably don't know what I'm talking about, because I don't think I actually did it on camera on this channel. Okay, anyway, so I just had a small grid drill that pushed into the air and was able to collect stuff, and yeah, yeah, that's that. Right, back into that camera. So what was the other thing? Screens up here. So I think they were already updated. Possibly I updated that, but I definitely remember doing this. I changed these and put the that's now the orbital gateway. Before I think it was just called the something gateway and the Martian gateway. So that's all good. And yeah, that was the only one I think. Added that in there, so that's fine. Mission 11. Yes. Okay, so that's good. Let's go into here. And now we've talked about those, so I haven't done a lot at all really. Martian drop try that again. Martian drop pod probe, and send Martian explorer to Mars. Okay, and weld a bit. Great. Yeah. Okay. So let's get on with that. And actually, just before we do that, I need to check something. Let's go into here. Let's just go into the camera. The orbital gateway is what I want. Orbital gateway. Okay, there we go. So, first of all, this here just need to. Oh, I've got one there. I am one there. Probably got one down here as well. Yes. Okay. So that's not an issue. We can. Oh, I forgot about that one. Yeah, okay. I'm just thinking about where to attach the probe. So that's going to be a thing. And yeah, I did get a comment this morning from Steve. So I'll just jump back into here, go into there, and go into the orbital gateway terminal. And we want the parachutes. Okay, so the Mars. Yeah, so Steve pointed out to me that these are on anyone can use rather than auto deploy. And so it's that one. Okay, and that one's 1,000, those are less. Okay, so that's fine. Yeah, he noticed that, which was quite good. I did actually fix some things on this as well. When I was doing the edit, I noticed that that there was also other mistakes on this, which I was going to sort out when it got there, but actually now we're in here. So the jettison setup actions, I had the number 5, that one there, the number 5 and then to turn on, but actually I wanted the thrusters off to start. And then thrusters off goes into there, which turns that on, so that should be good. Actually that block's on, isn't it? Okay, and we'll take it off the thingy bob. Oh, it is off. What? But that said it was on. Hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on. Thrusters off, set up actions. Oh, okay, yes, okay. No, everything's fine. Don't worry. Just me having a moment. Take that off of there. Okay, so that's good. So they're on auto deploy. That's on auto deploy. That one's on auto deploy. That one's on auto deploy. That one's on auto. All right. Thank you, Steve. Right. Yeah. So I picked up that error with the timer in the edit last time. Right. So yeah, let's go and start on this drop pod thing. We will start here, I guess. We'll need some steel, I guess. Ugh. Okay, so let's just go for red, because red is the color we're using on this build. Okay, so yeah, I guess we start with a connection. So, and yeah, so I'll launch. I'll have to. I don't actually think I've got to grab stuff out of there, couldn't I? Yeah. Might just have to pop a connector on there. Will that? Okay, so that'll go on there. All right, that's fine. We'll do that later. That's good. And there we go. Practically done. Okay, so let's go for one of those. Then enemy Bob. So, and them. Okay, pop that in there. Control panel. So auto deploy, and we'll just make it 500. We'll be absolutely fine. Okay, so that's good. We'll just turn that off for now. It's just because if I drop it, I don't want it to activate. You know what I mean? Yeah. Okay, so that's good. And then, obviously, I'll need to put some batteries on it. Which, okay, hang on. How much am I going to need? So if I put that right out to, no, it's auto deploy. Oh, antenna. Come on. Okay. Okay, so that's 200 kilowatts. So we grab a battery. That's not what I want to do. Gosh. Okay, here we go. So if we grab a couple of them. Like that. Like that. Okay, so they don't know. Right, battery. Oh, caps again. Okay, so they are 200 each, which the antenna needed 200. Okay, so might pay to have 2 or 3 of them, which we could do. Yeah, I'll have to have a bit of a think about that. But what I want to do is put a searchlight on top. Small grid. Like so. And I could I could make it up there. So, hang on. I'd need to do a... I mean, over there. I mean, I could do it over there. Like, sorry, I'll just turn something off now that I've seen it. Okay. Let's go and just look at the Martian thing. Which... Okay, so, we could... Where's the... Oh, there it is there. So, this... Does this have a projector on it? Because I would need to put a merge block on. I don't think it's got a projector. Oh, no, hang on. Oh, no, it's gyro. Oh, there's one. Okay. So, I could put a projection on this. I could put a projection on this and project this small grid. So we'd need to connect it to a connector. Rotor. So we could put a connector in there and then a rotor on top, because that would give us the ability to... I think we give it a go. I think we give it a try. So I'm going to have to make one of these first of all, because I'm going to have to adapt this. So probably making one of these down on Earth, because I'll need to put a merge block on there or somewhere, which I can just turn that thing on and go up to it. Yeah, oh yeah, I wouldn't even need to, because I could just use this as a welder. I mean, does this have any welders on it? No, it doesn't, but I can just go, I can just turn that welder on and fly up to it. That would work. That would really work. Okay. Yeah. Okay, right, let's do it. So, what I'll need to do is, yeah, something similar to that, but I can make it. Okay, so we need to make a, welder thing. So I think probably like just in here would be the place. Yeah. Although, let me have a think. Can I get that any lower? Yes. Okay, right. Let's do this. Let's get rid of you. Okay, so if you went like that... Oh, stuff.
Inventory full.
That's just not quite enough stuff. Right, okay. Go like that. And... So if we put that into there... I'm going all the way over there because that rail's on there. I can just tap into that one. Okay, and then we'll put on a advanced rotor. And then we will put on a one of those. That's, and then that. Okay, grab that stuff. Whoa, it's so dark, my lights are off. Okay, it's all good. Then we'll need to put probably another advanced rotor, or yeah, we'll put an advanced rotor on with a small head. Okay. Right, so that's that. Okay, so we would want here. So we'll go like here. For our welders. Okay. Like that. And there's a connection there that we could probably tap into. Yeah, let's do that. Like that. Why can't I? Oh, there we go. Because I wasn't trying hard enough. Okay, like that, like that. Okay, so I need to pull this up. I think we can get stuff out of here. that. Marvelous. And what am I doing? Then I want these like over the place. That'll be because of the voxel. That. Yep, let's go back out here. So I'll put on a sensor. Okay, if we were to turn you on, will you do the other ones? Yes, 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 yes. So let's just trigger all of those. Welder. Ugh. Welders. Welder pad. Save. Turn them all on. Job done. That's awesome. Okay. Oh, why do they do those ones? That's a tad annoying. Oh, there he goes. Maybe it's missing stuff. Could be. Right. Let's go and put some warning things around. Like that. I don't know why those ones aren't working. Just need a little bit of a hand to get going. I don't know what the story is there. Why they... Because I didn't add any parts to them. Very strange. Okay, right. Into here, and we don't have parts to that. No, we don't. Construction. Construction. Let's just take a white booth around there. Grab those. And I'll also grab the parts for a sensor. Okay. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, so the sensor will go... Okay, I'll tell you what, I might just line all this out because it's not really...
Energy
work.
low.
Clean out the edges. Okay, that's good. Right, sensor is going into there. Okay, so we want welders, and we want left will be 5 meters is fine, right's fine, bottom's fine, top's fine, back will want to be 7, 8 meters, and front will want to be none. Okay, detect players, yes. And And set up actions. Let's turn the welders off. Okay. So now when myself, or maybe Dan, walks across, it should turn off, which it does. Okay, yeah, so that's good. I might just put a thing in here. Interior plate, really? Okay. So crane horizontal. Crane vertical. Advanced rotor, crane. What do we do? Pivot? Advanced rotor, crane. Head. Okay. So let's just put vertical. So we'll do reverse. We'll do on off. And then we'll do horizontal. Reverse on off. Make that 0.2 minus 0.2. Take them off there and there. Okay, so that's fine. Right, so we're going to need to put on another one of these, I think. Oh, really? Again? Okay, so that's going to be welders on and off. Actually, what we'll do is we'll just do that, I think. That's good. Yeah, right, so that's fine. Yeah, okay. So we need to put a projector on here. If I turn those on, will they get it? No.
Energy critical.
Okay, and then I'll put some blocks on. Just because they're only temporary. Come on. Right. Projector. Projector. So we want that one there. And we want the tug. That one there. And let's just move that down like that and move it across like that. So now, if we turn the welders on, oh yeah, that's working. It's working. It's good. Okay, I tell you what, I think that we need to also put... No, that's not that one there. Put that back on the toolbar and do... vertical. Reverse, on, off. So that way we can do that. I mean, I probably don't... Oh, no, I do need to do the whole thing because I need that projector. Cool. It's all done. Marvelous. Okay, so... we want to put... we can actually get rid of this. Turn that off. Okay, so... we now want to go like... how do we want to do this? We want to put... let's put another projector in here. Like that. And then we'll put on a merge block here. Like so. And then that'll be another merge block. It's not enough to reach it. Never mind.
No energy.
Okay, never mind. Okay. No, don't fall over. Why was that not locked? Because it didn't lock it. That'll be why. Never mind. It's fine. It'll still work. Okay, so that's that. And then we want to put a block on there. Okay, so how's this all going to work? Maybe we want to put a battery on because... okay, I'll tell you what. If we were... can we push this? No, we can't. No, that's not going to work. Oh, yes it will. Yes it will. Yes it will. Okay. Ah. Right, that's better. Now we're using our head thing. Whatever you call that. Oh, and I'm finally using this crane. I mean, I know I rebuilt it, but, you know, it's been here for so long, just not doing anything. Right, so we'll put the battery on there. What? Why? Why did that do that? Why did that let go? How bizarre. That was weird. Right, so let's put a connector on there. Okay, so that's good. Then what do we do here? Okay, then the thing goes straight on there. Okay, so we're going to put the... We need to pay attention to this. We need to put the... that... and put the line... There's the line there. So the line is... we'll say... pointing to the battery. Remember that, people. The line is pointing to the battery. And then we will put that on like that if we had some stuff. Okay, let's just empty that, empty that. Grab some of those, grab some of those. And I spy my little eye. Hydrogen getting a little bit low. Actually, it wasn't getting low, but it was timely. Okay, so you can go like that. And you can go like that. And you can go like that. And then we can put one on here as well. Like that. And a projector would be a wise move. Okay, we want projector. Like that. Okay. Level that up. Okay, so that is all connected. So potentially we might have to replace this one. Or do we? No, because it's pretty much the same. It'll be fine. Okay. So that's that. So now we need to blueprint that. And we need to go into here. And we need to go into the projector. That one there. And we are going to turn it on. We're going to change the blueprints to, what was that? It was the ion tug. Not that one. Which one is it? It's probably small grid. Is that right? That one. Small grid. 7938. Okay. And we need to do some rotating pitch. That's looking pretty good actually. So pitch 180. Is that the wrong way? Is that the wrong way? It's better. No, that's done exactly the same thing. What? That's it. That's it there. Okay, so pitch 180, roll minus 180. Keep projection. Okay. I might just write that down. So, horizontal -1, vertical 0, forward -7, pitch -180, yaw 0, roll 180. Okay, so that's good. Right, so that's cool. So now we also need to make a projection of, it'll be a connector with a rotor on it, advanced rotor. Okay. Blueprint 3009. Right. Yeah, and 0. We need to know where 0 is when we put it up. Okay, so now if we go into we need to jump in and control. We need to jump in and control up in Mars. So Martian Gateway Terminal Remote. And we want the grinder. Actually, before we do that, oh, that's not the right thing. That's a sorter. Ow. Okay, let's just try that again. Okay, so there is a... Why won't you... change to the large one? Right. Try that again. Fast rotor. Turn it on. Okay, so they are... So steel, we're going to need 15. 15. Computer 2. Motor 4. Large steel tube for construction. 10. And over here, oh mouse. Over here we need interior. It's going to be 20. Construction plus 30 is going to be 40. Small steel tube is 20. Motor is going to be plus 4 is 10. And I've done the construction of the interior. Yes, good. Right. Okay, so that's good. Control B that. What 4422? What was that other one? That was that one there. Delete you. Okay. Right. Martian Gateway Terminal. We want to do the grinder. We want to go into control. We want to go to the inventory. And cargo grinder ship. Is Izzy's turned off? I think Izzy's turned off. No, it's on. Oh no, that's solar. That's fine. We don't have a manufacturing thing in there, so that's good. Right, so that one and that one. Okay, so we needed 15 steel. And we needed 2 computers. 2 and 10 motors. 10 large steel tube. 4 construction. 40 interior. Oh, I could just, because they're random. Click the button. Small steel tubes. Okay, so that's good. That's fine. Okay, so now we go into a camera and we launch. And we go to the other end. And we just need to, so this is going to be fine because we are connected all underneath there. The connector's connected to that. That's all reinforced up through there. That's connected to that. That's under there. That's going to be connected. Okay, so I think we should be fine. Just need to be very careful. So I'm just going to use the button one. Okay, we might need to... Okay. I don't want that one. No, don't want that one. No. Okay. So we might just need to make some little additions. Might be the way to go. Let's get out of this. And let's just make those additions. So we're going to have... It's despawned. Oh, really? if I put in the voxel? Maybe that'd help. So I'm going to put you there. And we're going to put you on there. And then we're going to put you like that. And I think that was like that, wasn't it? I know what to place. What? Why? Surely that can place. Oh no, because there's a thing there, that's why. Let's just do that again. I'm too close. Try that again. Oh, we still got our thing on. Okay. So. That there. I think it's grey anyway, isn't it? Yeah, we'll just keep it grey. See, it doesn't keep it grey. That one there. That one there, and 0 we will put to the front. Is that how I want to do it? No, 0 to the back. So the battery needs to go to the back. Remember that, people. That. And... like that. Okay. Control B... 9840. The other one was large grid 4422. Delete you. Okay, back we go. Right. This will be Martian gateway, and we want to go projector. Try that again. Projector, auxiliary, on, blueprints. What did we say? It was 9840. Oh yeah, that's it. Okay, and go back into there. Don't know why that switched off. Camera. Forward? That one maybe? What's that from? No, not that one. It's just... Grinder welder shop. Oh, okay, hang on. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. Perfect. Right. Now we can go to here and we can do... okay, this is clearly... still back on Earth. Let's just turn those off while we think of it. Right, remote access, Martian gateway, projector, auxiliary, and roll. Or is it? It's actually up the right way, isn't it? Yeah, that's it there. Yep, that's it. Cool, cool, cool. Right. So now we need to get out of that. We need to go into the roller grinder ship and the remote for the welder. We need to control that. Get into that camera there. rotate around very gently because I don't know where I am in relation to that. Okay. Oh, that's... Okay, we need to reconnect that as well. That's the thing. Right. Didn't think about that. That'll be fine. It'll sort itself out. Turn you on. So we have to relock that. Good. The system is working. That's not working, no. Why are you not? Oh, no, there we go. Oh, don't do the top bit. It's not going to do the bottom bit now. That's annoying. Because it'll be missing stuff. Okay, what we'll do is we will get out of this. And we'll jump into the Martian gateway. And the forward connector we will lock. Which means the thing's now connected again. Then we'll go into the welder grinder ship. And we'll go into the grinder. We'll take control of that. This away. Oh look, I need to weld something on the other side anyway. Press 7. Oh yes I did. Okay, that's good. Just all the way out there. Get out of that. Go back into here. Into the grinder ship. And into the welder control. Whew, okay, camera up. So now we can weld this up. Like so. Okay, that is ready to go. Just spin this around the back, just for the welder. Okay, like that, and shut it down. Then we want to go into the Martian gateway. First we'll turn on the welder, which probably is turned off. Yes, turn on the welder. And then the remote for the ion tug. And start that up. Why is that not starting up? Shut up. Okay, it's off. Okay, we'll try that again. I think that's because I disconnected it. Let's just get far enough out. What's that over there? The moon. Scrub that. Okay. can we go into a camera? I really want the welder. Check. Why is it just scrolling through that one? Okay, that's going to be a negatory. Okay, that's annoying. Never mind. We'll just go to this camera. We'll go into the rear one. This will suffice. Okay, so what we want to do is go into the projector. Into that projector and the blueprints. It's going to be small grid or something, isn't it? Small grid. That one there. We need to go back into there. Don't know why I did that. Okay. That's back on the thing. Why not take? Oh. Right. Don't know why that was doing that. Right. So, blueprints is. I made a note. So -1, -7, 0, -180, -180. That's, I think, actually looking okay. Because we're looking through... really need to check. Okay, let's go into here and turn that off. Actually, no, it's probably fine if I just tilt it. Go into there and then go into the Martian gateway, and then find the camera for the welder forward and view that. Then I can see. Haha. Right. Yep, that's all looking pretty good. Battery is up. Okay, so let's just very gently, gonna have to do some reverse. Come over here and hopefully this will start well. Hopefully. Come on, start welding, please. Why? Oh, no, because I need to grind off that camera. That's why. I need to go forward, go back. Oh, that's going to be tricky. It's going to be a bit tricky to grind off that. But tricky is my middle name. It's not, but you know. Danger. Right. Martian gateway, grinder, remote, control, camera, launch. Okay. Because if there's a little bit of collateral damage, it won't actually matter because... Oh, I need to put a new camera on. I need to put a new camera on. Sort that out when we come back down to Earth. But we need to put a new camera up on top of that merge block. Right, let's just... Gentle. What did that grab? I feel like it's grinding something. Not sure what. No. Those two things. Okay, well, they might just have to get... Oh, there we go. That got it. Got it. Nearly. No. That's got it. That's got it. Right. Whew, gosh, this has taken a little bit of effort. Let's put this back on here. Down camera. I have no idea how I'm going to actually edit this thing. Okay, turn that off. Okay, so we just need to put a camera on the merge block. So we need to put a camera on there. Okay, control that. So we will rename. Okay. Right. Back into this. So the Martian gateway, the welder needs to be turned on. Yeah, and we'll go into the tug. And we'll go into the projector blueprints. What was it? 9840? No, it was small. That one. Okay. So into the ion tug control. And then we need to go into the Martian gateway. And we need to go into the welder camera. That one there. So now, I just need to reverse up to this. Actually, I'll tell you what, if I was to turn this over maybe. Then it's completely back to front. But I would get a little bit of an idea of where stuff is. Like that. Stuff's happening. Okay, if we go forward a little bit. I think this is working. Here we go. Need to fix you guys up. And that's just fixing that thruster, so it shouldn't need to be relinked or anything. Okay, So that's all looking pretty good. Oh, there's some stuff there to do. But other than that, that's it. Okay, projector. All done. Okay, so I'm going to have to relink. Relink that one there. So that's going to be top mounted camera, view. Okay, camera, top mounted. So that's going to be IT56 rear connector. Take that off there and there. Actually, it can stay in the terminal and stay on there. That'll be fine. Okay, so now we can look at that, and oh, that's awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Alright, so going forward, that camera is unaffected. So now we need to connect this into here. Now my concern is that it's going to despawn. But it's got a battery on it, so it shouldn't. And actually... yeah, I don't know which merge block is which. If I was to connect... small grid projector. So if I was to connect that, and then turned off, how do I know if it's connected or not? We turn off that one. Go to that camera there. So that is the one I'm on top of. That's green though. Okay, so merge. Let's turn that one on, turn that one off. That did it. That did it. Yeah, I don't know which is which though. Okay, so that's just connected. Okay, so that's on this grid. That's on the other grid. Right, okay. So this will be... this will be merge. Small grid. Pro. Bottom. And then those other ones will be either side. That's good. That doesn't need to be in there. That's going to be a special thing. Okay. Right. So that's good. Yep. So now we need to line this up with the thingamabob. So what I need to do is go into here like this. Okay, if I go into the Martian gateway, go into the terminal, and we'll go into the grinder camera, probably grinder down. View. Can I get far enough? Oh, yes I can. Okay. But I'm still in control of the other one, so... okay, so we need to put the battery at the back, which means we're going to have to rotate. So is that the battery? I can't... oh, hang on, I can zoom in. Oh, not very well. I couldn't... that... Yep, that's the battery. Oh, hang on. What did I do? Okay. Let's get out of this. Let's get out of this. Let's go into the Martian Gateway terminal, remote, grinder, control, launch, camera. Let's have a bit of a better look. Okay, that's good. Right, now we'll get out of that. Out of that. Go into ion tug. And go into the remote. Okay, and then we'll go into the Martian Gateway. Oh, not the Martian Gateway. We'll go into the grinder ship, and we can use the camera forward. Okay, but we are still in control of this. So we'll go down. It's just I don't want it to be still attached when I let go. So we need to go in reverse, lift up. Okay. I think that is looking pretty good. So now I need to go into there and reverse. Oh, that was the wrong way. Okay, let's just go. Because I need to go forward because I'm backwards. Okay, and then go into the Martian Gateway and go into the rotor, which is going to be small grid pro, and attach. Yes! Oh, how about that? How about that? Oh, that's awesome. That is awesome. Oh, that's real good. Oh. Okay, so now I can use that to weld things. And yeah, so we'll set up the other one back on the planet. Actually, I might just have a bit of a break, bit of a drink. I might even do the edit up until this point and just see where we're at. But yeah, we can move that onto... Yeah, okay, right. Have a plan. Be back in a little bit. Right, sit rep. It's been quite a long while, so by now you may have figured out that there's going to be an extended version and a short version of this. So that basically entire last build period, that was like an hour and a half or so, I'm not sure how long it was, I've done as a sped up montagey thing on the regular edition. Let's just actually turn this off. Perfect. That's good. It seems to be wobbling. Oh, that's because of the magnetism, that's why. Let's just turn that off, shall we? Off. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Oh, look, that worked out real well, actually. Let's just use this button. So, yeah. So if you're watching the regular version, I built this welder thing. It turns on. Actually, I won't turn it on because it'll probably start welding up stuff. Maybe we should just turn that off. Okay. So turn that on, and it's welding up stuff. So yeah, so that's good, and it's got a sensor thing on, so it doesn't get me if I walk over it. So that's good. Let's get you. Actually, we'll just get that. Swing it around, shall we? So I've built this crane as well for working on this area. Other way. Spin that around. And so you would have seen the speed up thing, but I built this on the end of this, sent the projection up to over to Mars, and then used the welder grinder ship in combination with this to weld up that, which is now attached to the gateway. Yeah. So that's good. Now we'll just move this. And actually, what I'll do is I will, once I've put this in position, now where's the battery? The battery is there because we don't want it to snap. So I will spin this around that way. Okay, and we'll just lock that. Yeah, we may as well launch the Explorer and get that heading to Mars because that will take a while to get there. Let's just get that down there like that. So then I've got this as a template and I can build stuff. Awesome. Oh for awesome. Take that off. Put that over there. So, oh, this is real good. So it was a little bit of a challenge. Well, it was a good challenge to be welding over the Interplanetary Communication Network. But that means that we can actually build stuff. Oh gosh. Let's just sort that out, shall we? Ugh. Okay, so that means we can actually build stuff, which is awesome. And that was the template I used for the Martian Gateway. So that's all good. Right. So we will connect you. That's marvelous. Perfect. Fantastic. So now we can build a thing on here. Okay, let's jump up into the orbital gateway, and let's launch this thingamabob. So we want to go into the orbital gateway terminal, and we want to go into the interplanetary thing. That one there. Okay, so we want to do control. Now let's do that, but that means that it will disconnect the rear one, I think. So that's the forward one, that's the rear one. Connect. Magnetism. Okay, it's good. Good. So let's just head up. So the antenna is, yep, the antenna's awesome. Okay, so let's just lift up at a reasonable pace and get some distance. About 20 kilometers or something. Or we could probably start going forward as well, actually. Like that. Okay, that's cool. Right, we need to do that timer there. Or do we? We don't really. We just need it to go. That's all we need to do. We just need it to go. So the event controller reactor's on. Yeah, so that's all fine. It is absolutely fine. What about the event controllers? It's got an event controller to turn the back thrust off. Yeah. Okay, so that's all good. So let's go into the remote control, and we want to do one way. Speed limit's fine. Forward is fine. Waypoints, get rid of those. Remove all of those. Did that remove all of them? Okay, so we want Mars arrival, Mars parking, and we want on arrival setup actions, groups, backwards thrusters on. Okay, so that should do. Okay, that's cool. Right, let's do that, and we'll say remote on autopilot. Okay, and I'm just a bit concerned that we're not quite above out of the atmosphere. So let's go up. So what I'll do is, what will I do? We'll wait until it gets 30 kilometers. And then we'll turn that on. 30 seconds, give us time to get out of it. Setup actions, autopilot on. That should do the trick. Cool, cool. Batteries, how are they looking? Tell you what, that one there, I will also put onto auto. Those ones I'll put onto auto as well. Just so it's got heaps of battery capacity. 2 days. I mean, it's not doing anything at the moment, but that's fine. Okay, so that is 15 kilometers. Okay, I think that's going to do. So let's back out of that. Let's go into control. I didn't set the timer going. Terminal. Oops. We could probably just turn the remote on from here, actually. No, we can't. Timer. And remote. And start. So hopefully that then works. Let's jump into this camera and just see what happens after 30 seconds. That one there. Which is going to be going quite fast, so I'm going to have to do a very quick... No, missed it. Okay. So that's good. Good. I think that's the thing just kicked in. Where are those thrusters connecting onto something? I think it's just that there, but I don't think it's an issue. I can't imagine that thruster's coming all the way out there. Might be the light or something. Alright, but that's going. It is going. It's arresting its upward movement. Yeah, I mean we're 60 k's up, so that should be more than enough out of the atmosphere. Awesome. Oh well. Good luck, little buddy. We'll see you in 1900 kilometers, and yeah, then it should, when it gets in the 50k range, it should I should pick it up. So it doesn't actually need to automatically stop. I can stop it as long as I see that it arrives and gets in control. Yeah, that's what I was actually thinking. It's too late now because it's gone, but I should have put a beacon on it. One that like was at 200 meters and flashed, so I would actually realize it. Yeah, but anyway, that's cool. Right, let's get back down here. Get out of there. get onto building this thing here. So let's get rid of all of that. I don't want to just... Oh, that would have been uranium probably. No. No, I don't know what that was. Something... Oh, it must have just been a canvas. Just a canvas. One. Okay, Aziz's on. Okay, so that's fine. Right, so that's good. So yeah, we probably don't need that anymore, so that might get munched up in the recycler at some point. Okay, so this is what it's looking like up on the Martian Gateway. So actually, for did I dock everything? Actually, I think it's still in the right position. No, we can't jump in there. Let's just go and sit on this. Will do. So if we go into here, and go into there, welder, that one there. So if we go welder, remote, control. So, just need to be gentle to make sure I don't crash into anything. I was using that to use the camera so I could see. Yeah, so that's it there. So I'm just wondering whether I actually build it on there and then attach it to that. That might make sense. And now that I think about it, I've just put a canvas in my inventory, but I do not need to put a canvas in the inventory of the one back on Earth. Okay, so yeah, actually I think that's going to be the way to go. If we put it on there, yeah, that'll work. Okay, have a plan. I don't know what's the sound on this. Okay, let's shut you down. Okay, so that's, oh, this is good, we have a plan. Okay, so if I build on this, make a new projection, and that will do the trick. Yeah, that'll be good. Okay, so actually we don't recycle this, we put it somewhere else and reuse it. Okay, so turn you on. Put a merge block on there. And then we want the antenna, and then, oh no, hang on, we're going to need to put a box. I'm not using my words properly. We're going to need to put one of these on, like that, and then put the parachute on there. Then we're going to need to put a battery on there, one on there, no, that's, oh yeah, that's right, parachute, antenna, connector, connector, come on, you can do it, that one. My brain was just not quite working then. Okay, let's get all this. I've got all the stuff in my inventory, but okay, and a light, spotlight, so we can see stuff. Okay, let's just quickly turn on those. That's good. So I need to put these on to recharge. One to recharge. Yeah, we're going to have to name this stuff as well. Okay, so that's that. That will connect to there. And yeah, we need to put some little stabilizer leggy things, I think. Yeah, so if I was to go like... that... and that. Okay, you get the idea. I will finish this off. Yeah, I've got a plan. So that's cool. That's good. That will go like that. And then we'll go like that. That. Oh, this is just all gone wrong. Okay, and then that block like that. Good. Yeah, it doesn't help that it's up the wrong way. Okay, and then we need like... I think like that maybe? Because that won't fit on. Oh, it does fit on. What? No. Really? That doesn't seem right. That doesn't seem right. Okay, well, it's done. I guess you can't see any daylight through it. Alright, that's cool. Right, so what are we going to name all this stuff? See, because now that will be able to come over here and... I probably want to put a camera on here, actually. Like that. And then we can see down as well. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, okay. Jump into here, do some naming. Yeah, I don't know why I grabbed that thing. What are we going to call this? We will call it Martian Probe 34. MP34. Like that. Parachute hatch. MP34. And for that we need to do auto deploy, and we'll do it 500 meters. We'll be absolutely fine. We'll just turn that... No, we'll leave it on because it doesn't matter down here on Earth. Searchlight's not complete. Searchlight complete. Okay, let's start from the top. Turn those off. Okay, so antenna MP34, radius right up, off. So yeah, I probably should have put a timer on it actually, because then I'm gonna just we'll just do it manually. As long as we search MP34, it'll be fine. Yeah, it'll be fine. Camera MP34 down. Projector, remote searchlight, MP34, Martian Probe 4, small connector, MP34, just take it off, merge block, Launch MP34. Parachute we've done. Camera. No, that's not that. Okay, so that's got everything. So antenna, searchlight. Should turn that off actually. Yeah. Cool. Very simple little thing. But I think does the trick. Yeah, that's all it needs to be. It doesn't need to be anything fancy. Just needs to land. And actually, now that I think about it, this is definitely the way to go. Because if it crashes and burns, I can just make another one. I don't need to... Yeah, I don't need to make a another trip, you know, because... Oh, this is... not welded. But yeah, that's... Yeah, okay, that's cool. Cool. Right, so... that is awesome. So now I need to go... Control B, and I need to rename it, so it's 7938. Okay, and then we go up here, and I don't want to disappoint. I don't think I'm going to launch it today. I think the probe will be a tomorrow thing. Next episode, I mean. I just want to build it, get it on recharge. Let's jump into here, so that's fine. And go into the Martian Gateway. No. We want to go into the tug. There it is. So let's just control remote control. How's our thing doing? It's clearing Earth. Okay, so that's good. Back into this, so that's there. So that's where we're pointing. Turn that way. Okay, so now if we go projector, and we want that one there. Blueprint, what was it? 78. No, 79? Yeah. Okay, so that's looking not in the right place. Okay, let's go back to Earth. We'll put a projection on this. It must be around the wrong way. Okay, so if we put the projection on here, tell you what, I'll put it on the auxiliary one. It hasn't got an auxiliary one. This is the auxiliary one. Let's call this IT56 auxiliary. And I'll rename the one that's on the one up there. And blueprints. That one there. Okay, so that needs to rotate, is it? Roll? Yes, roll and horizontal. No, not horizontal. Forward. Cool. Okay, well, I can fix that. It was just forward one. It was roll 180 and forward one. And keep the projection on. Alright, let's fix that. Okay. Tug control will do. Let's get that remote there. The projector we will call auxiliary. Okay, turn you off. Turn you on. Blueprints 79, 38. Oh, why does it do that? Yeah, I don't know why it does that. It's just a bit bizarre. So now we'll go back into there. We should have that. Okay, so we want to keep the projection. Want to move it forward 1, and we want to rotate it. Did that work? No. No, it didn't. We want to... Okay, let's just move it forward. So that looks right. Project auxiliary. Oh, yeah, no, that's right. Yeah, it is right. Okay. So, was it -1? Or maybe it was -1. Can't tell. Okay, let's go over to the... turn it off first of all. Projector auxiliary off. And I'm actually flying in reverse here. So just excuse me if I end up going the wrong way. Okay, so that's right. Let's get this lined up. Flying backwards. Okay, so now if I go into the Martian gateway, find the welder, turn it on, find the camera forward, view. Okay, and now turn the projection on. Okay, maybe it was in the right place the whole time. Projection 1. My mistake. I doubted myself. Right, let's give this a weld up. Again, having to do this in reverse. There we go. There we go. It's working. It's working. Getting there, getting there, getting there. Hopefully I've got everything to complete it. It's a spotlight. That's awesome. Oh, no, hang on. I don't think we've got any... Don't think we've got any antenna parts. So if we go into... Control K and go into the Martian gateway. Production 1, 2, 3, 4. And while we're in here, we will also make one of those. Is that what it was missing? Okay, that's all good. Projector, auxiliary. Cool, 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 cool. Right, okay, so that's awesome. Right, let me park this up, and then I think we will be calling it a day. I'm not going to be able to see out of there. What about if I went into the camera down, that one there? Okay, reverse. And roll that way. It's not that way, down we go. I think it's ready to lock. Connector. That one. Lock. Yes! Okay. And then... merge. Which is gonna be... that one there. Turn you off. That's alright, I can still see. We can go with that one there. And we'll do the reverse one. Turn that thing off. Projection. Off. There it is! There it is! It's all connected. Woohoo! Marvellous. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay. Right. That's a successful day, I think. It's a very long day. I wasn't expecting it to be that long, but it is what it is. Right. Is the solar panels doing anything? Awesome. Yeah, and I guess I better just check, just quickly check now that the in here, in the Martian Gateway, the inventory, and we're looking specifically for a parachute and a parachute hatch canvas. Yes! Oh, that's awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Right. Well, I think that's a pretty good effort today. Let's just try and not crash. Yeah, that's where I'm going to leave it. In my safe little seat, back on Earth, high above Mars at the same time. So, thanks everybody for joining me today. I hope you did enjoy today's episodes, especially thankful if you stayed until the end of the extended edition. Hung in there. Yeah, and hopefully you can join me again next time when we will grab this little thing here, the probe, and we will stick it on the front of this. I don't actually need to dock this. I'll use the landing gear and I'll just grab it and drop it down and we'll see how we go. Yeah, and I don't know what else we're going to do next time, but hopefully you can join me again next time. And until next time, as always, stay safe out there, everybody, and have a good one.